first experiences like mag-plant ng mangrove, tapos mapuntahan lahat ng mga destinations dito sa Palawan City Tour. And then pati yung mga breathtaking beaches here.
I expect to have fun and syempre yung purpose of our trip, which is to get down to the nitty-gritty and help yung mga mangrove reforestation.
Basically, on my side, medyo wild adventure tong Green Cross. Do good, get dirty. At noon hindi pa siya nagsisimula. I had taping, I've been up for 28 hours, and akala ko may-miss ko yung flight.
I expect to experience a fun new adventure and to do some good at the same time. I really am excited to meet new people and share stories, experiences with them, and also perhaps help however I can.
I expect to have a lot of fun. I expect to do good and get dirty and really learn something, in the process.
I'm excited to go to Dumaguete and Siquijor to know more about the cultural heritage of the sites, to know about the Turtle Sanctuary, the Apo Marine Reef, how about the conservation and the coastal cleanup.
It's the love for adventure and try something new and also to give back to the environment. Maganda to
There's always a new adventure, something they want me to blog about, a story I need to share, whether it's traveling out to the beach, going out to hiking the mountains, or finding a new restaurant, a new hole in the wall. Every day is different for me. I'm always a firm believer of helping those who can't help themselves. So whether it's animals, little children, or nature.
So basically, yun yung nakikita ko lang the big picture, tree planting, and some side trips. So I heard may mga side trips. So yun din, excited din ako for those side trips.